In this video, we are going to solve a nice geometry problem. Here, we have a right angle triangle and right angle at B, and this length AB is square root of 3 and this angle is 30 degree and this length DC is 2 unit, and we need to calculate this length, that is x. Know the method to solve this question, then please write your answer in comment box. Carefully in yellow triangle, let's suppose this angle is theta. Now value of tan theta is ratio of perpendicular to base, then tan theta, this is equals to, if this angle is theta, then perpendicular is opposite length of this theta, that is x. So here x, and this square root of 3 is base. So here value of tan theta is x over square root of 3. Now look carefully in yellow triangle, that is ABC. Here this length is x plus 2 because BD length is x and DC length is 2. It means length of BC is x plus 2. Now this angle is theta plus 30 degree. Then here if we find out the value of tan theta plus 30 degree, this is equals to perpendicular over base, and we know that perpendicular is opposite length of this angle. So perpendicular is x plus 2 and base is square root of 3. In left hand side we have tan theta plus 30 degree, and we know that tan A plus B, this is equals to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A into tan B. If we apply this rule here, then this A is replaced by theta and this B is replaced by 30. Then in left hand side tan theta plus 30 degree, and this is equals to tan A is replaced by theta plus tan and B is replaced by 30 over 1 minus tan A is replaced by theta times tan B is replaced by 30 degree. Then it means this expression is equal to this. Now in left hand side, tan theta plus tan 30, tan theta plus tan 30, and divide by 1 minus tan theta into tan 30, 1 minus tan theta into tan 30, and this is equals to, in right hand side, x plus 2 over 3, x plus 2 over 3. Value of tan theta is x over square root of 3. So this tan theta is replaced by x over square root of 3 plus, and tan 30 is replaced by 1 over square root of 3 and divide by 1 minus tan theta is replaced by x over square root of 3 is multiplied by tan 30 is replaced by 1 over square root of 3, and this is equals to x plus 2 over square root of 3. In left hand side, first look carefully this numerator part, x over square root of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3. Here common denominator is square root of 3. So in numerator x plus 1 divide by square root of 3 and divide by 1 minus x times 1 is x over square root of 3 is multiplied by square root of 3, then we get 3 and this is equals to x plus 2 over square root of 3. Now in numerator x plus 1 over square root of 3 and divide by 1 minus x over 3. Here denominator part is 3. So this one is same as 3 over 3. Now common denominator is 3 and in numerator 3 minus x, this is equals to x plus 2 over square root of 3. Now this left hand side is same as x plus 1 divided by square root of 3 is multiplied by 3 over 3 minus x, this is equals to x plus 2 divided by square root of 3. In numerator x plus 1 and this 3 is same as square root of 3 into square root of 3 and divide by here square root of 3 is multiplied by 3 minus x and this is equals to x plus 2 over square root of 3. Then this square root of 3 and this square root of 3 is cancel out. In left hand side x plus 1 is multiplied by square root of 3 and divide by here in denominator part is 3 minus x. 3 minus x and this is equals to x plus 2 over square root of 3. X plus 2 over square root of 3. Now here we will apply cross multiply, then square root of 3 is multiplied by this square root of 3, then we get here 3 times x plus 1 and here this x plus 2 is multiplied by 3 minus x. Then 3 is multiplied by x, then we get 3 times x plus 3 is multiplied by 1, then we get 3 and this is equals to x is multiplied by 3 minus x plus 2 is multiplied by 3 minus x. Then here in left hand side 3x plus 3 and this is equals to x times 3, that is 3 times x, and x times minus x, that is minus x square, 2 times 3, that is plus 6, and 2 times minus x, that is minus 2 times x. Now 3 times x plus 3, this is equals to, if we add like terms, then 3 times x minus 2 times x is x minus x square plus 6. If we take all the expression in same side, then 3 times x plus 3 plus x square minus x minus 6 and this is equals to 0. Here x square 3 times x minus x, that is plus 2 times x plus 3 minus 6, that is minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Here this is quadratic equation in terms of x. Now we will factorize this quadratic by using middle term split and then find out the value of x. Then x square plus this 2 times x is same as 3 times x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. Then if we take common x square divided by x, then we get x plus 3 times x divided by x, then we get 3. And here look carefully, if we take common minus 1, then x plus 3 and this is equals to 0. Now x plus 3 and this x plus 3 is common. If we take x plus 3 is common, then here x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Product of two expressions, this is equals to 0. It means either x plus 3 this is equals to 0 or x minus 1 this is equals to 0. Then value of x is minus 3 and here value of x is 1. But we know that length cannot be negative because x is length of this triangle, that is BD. So length cannot be negative, it means this value is rejected. Our solution is x is equals to 1 only. I hope students you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.